Today I'm going to show you the second look that I've done for Camille and Emily in Paris when we went to Rome to do her hair for her premiere. I started with the Hydrate Spray Conditioner in dry hair and also the Flawless Primer in dry hair. So I just spray a little bit of the Flawless Primer at the roots and in the mid-lengths, and it gives a really nice hold to the hair before I'm going to start with the blow dry. So I'm going to start with the top, which was a horseshoe section, a little bit higher here because I'm going to make a curve with the hair to the front. And what we wanted is that you would keep a little gap. I'm using now the strong hold spray just at the roots. And I sectioned with the Yukisa hairpin every time a new section, and I spray just at the roots using my comb, and then I start gluing the hairs together. You pull the hair down and then you section left and right a clip, and then you leave it in. After this, you're going to use a hairnet. I will spray one more time the strong hold spray on the hairnet. The harder you pull, the moist gets out of the hairnet and it will dry quicker, and will also give a beautiful, nice shape. If you're done, you take the hairnet, she can let go, and then you roll it to the front, to the side where the hair goes down. We're going to use for the next step the nude powder spray. So we're going to divide the hair in two. I only spray at the roots because I'm going to backcomb with my comb to make a little bit of a bed where if I'm going to roll the hair, it becomes a little bit more bigger and I can make a really nice shape. We start in the nape. You pull the hair as straight as possible, and then you backcomb at the roots. Then we move towards the front. We only do the inside of the hair. We're gonna brush all the hair to the back. Make the top layer nice and smooth. Then we use the working hairspray, starting from the roots, in the nape, some more from the roots and a little bit less towards the very end. Then you put the Yukisa hairpins in. So you have the hair in the middle, then take the hair out, then roll the hair in, take one pin and make the hair solid. Use your hands, so first the brush and then your hands to make the shape nice and clean and smooth. And now you're going to connect the two rolls to each other. I take one pin out from the other side, and then I could connect it with my other roll. Use your tail comb with the back and push all the little hairs in. We're going to move on with the front. So I took out the two clips, let the hair hang towards the face, and now I'm going to use a little bit of foil on the sides. Use the working hairspray on your polishing brush on both sides. Now I'm going to use the solid pomade. Starting at the front, you go underneath because that's the most important part, because you want to get it glued on the scalp and on the sides of the hair. I will use also a little bit of water spray just to make my life a bit easier And then we're gonna make the shape to the sides. Then to finish, I'm gonna use strong hold spray, so there is no movement at all anymore in the hair. You take everything out, so the clips. You also spray now underneath the hair and also where the hair will be glued on. And then you sort of peel it off and you push it back. Touch up a little bit like the little hairs on the side. So before I take the clips away, I use a tinsel brush, something that's like soft, spray on the brush, and then take all these little hairs away on the sides. Hold your fingers to left and right. And then you take it out, hold with one side. So this is the final look of Camille Razat when we were in Rome. I think it's a very cool, still sexy look on her. We used the Hydrate Spray Conditioner in the ends, the flawless primer at the roots and in the mid-length, then the solid pomade and the front of the fringe, the nude powder spray at the roots in the back, then the working hairspray and the strong hold spray as a finishing. Thank you for joining us, and if you like this look, you click in the button below. Subscribe for more tutorials, and I hope to see you soon. I hope you enjoyed to watch this look. Till next time.